Learning how to study more effectively can help you improve your grades and retain knowledge. There are recipes for success that winners use, and you can too. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 secret and very effective study tips to perform best in your academics as well as to score highest marks in your exams. So without further ado, let's get started with the tips and hacks. The first and foremost tip: organize your study space. Keep your study space super clean and free of distraction. Number 1. This will really help you to focus on your study materials. Number 2. It provides you enough space to spread your textbooks and notes out. Number 3. Make a habit of studying in the same place every day. Tip number 2. Stay away from distractions and unwanted thoughts. Electronic devices are a big distraction, so remember to turn off your phone and television. When you need to use your computer or laptop during a study session, stay away from social media, email, and off-topic websites. Tip number 3. Create a timetable. Creating a timetable helps organize your time schedules, your breaks, and is especially useful when you have multiple subjects to study. Set reasonable limits for how much time you spend studying each day and break your study session up into manageable chunks of time. Tip number 4. Make to-do list. This is a very important way for being systematic and organized. In this section, you can list all your activities to be finished. For example, it can be on any subject homework, assignments, project work, etc. When the works are done, just tick off the checklist. This will really make you updated on each and every work. Tip number 5. Using effective study techniques. For example, when you start reading a chapter of any subject, just underline the points which you feel important. Make notes of your own by using some techniques such as one-word questions, multiple choice questions, diagrams, flowcharts, booklets, etc. This practice really helps you to score highest marks in your exams, and it's 100% guaranteed. Tip number 6. Put yourself to the test. Get into the routine of practicing question banks or question papers. When you are done with a chapter, it's very important to take a small test paper on that particular topic which you have learned. Now check the answers by yourself. This will really help you on what all mistakes you have gone through. This practice will give you lots of self-confidence. Tip number 7. Become a teacher. Explain your answers to others, especially to a friend who is not understanding that concept clearly. Help your friend by explaining it in your own words. This is probably the best way to learn when we teach them. This is also a very effective learning of self-study and gives you lots and lots of positive vibes and motivation. Tip number 8. Take regular breaks. If you're studying for a few hours at a time, take 5-minute breaks every half an hour or so. It helps your mind relax, which can help you more effectively remember the materials and stay focused. In break time, you can do some physical activities, check out your social medias, read storybooks, watch television, or just go for a walk. Tip number 9. Be healthy and take care of yourself. First of all, eat well. Food can help you to fuel your studies. Try this food to help your brain running at full power, such as protein-rich food, fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds. Avoid too much sugar or caffeine, that is tea or coffee, can interfere with concentration. Drink plenty of water. Water is an essential brain function. Make sure you keep drinking plenty of water throughout your revision and also on the exam days. The next tip is sleep well. Again, it's a basic human need that unfortunately need to be stated. A good night's sleep rests in one of the most basic ways. 7 to 8 hours of sleep improve your score because it will help you to improve your ability to think logically. Keep your immune system strong. Enough sleep is important for concentration. Last but not least is the 10th study tip. So always believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, believe in your life, believe in your miracles. You will be unstoppable. If you follow this, then I'm 100% guarantee that you will see a major difference in your score, in your grades, in your marks, as well as in yourself.